Local context is really important because if you really think about it, all of the details that matter in terms of how you're going to act about climate change depend on the local circumstances. The most kind of simple and obvious example is you would put up solar cells in Arizona, but you'll probably put up tidal energy in New England. There are aspects of the local climate that means that one type of renewable energy works better in one place than another. So that's a really kind of clear-cut, obvious example. Perhaps a more subtle example is going back to the Indigenous question, is that Indigenous people have knowledge and practice and aspirations about their environment that gives them very different perspectives on what's the appropriate way forward. There is no one best practice. Even for a single place, there is no one best practice. There are multiple strategies you can use. The most important thing is to learn from your mistakes rather than to try and avoid making mistakes. And working with the Indigenous people who have lived for a long time in that local area really helps you be much more clear-eyed about what's going to work and what isn't.